Hey everyone, it's Joshua Missouri, Director of Military and Veteran Services. Today we want to discuss how to request a parent institution letter, often called a PIL. So you'll go to the university's website, and from there you'll find Warrior Web. And in Warrior Web, you will click on the categories button and find Military and Veteran Services. Once you've selected Military and Veteran Services, you'll go to VA certification. And in submitting your request for VA certification, once you've entered all of your information, you'll come down to a section that asks you, are you taking courses at another institution? Please select yes. Here you have an opportunity to enter course information. So we're going to follow the example that's provided. Next, you'll enter the course information that you're taking at Texas A&M University, Central Texas. In this action, it's very important that we complete all the information because this lets us know that all the courses that you're taking are going towards your degree. This will also let your host institution know that the classes you're taking at TAMUCT will complete your degree, and they're good to certify you there. So we'll issue a parent institution letter to your institution that you're taking your lower level courses, and when you arrive at TAMUCT, those lower level courses will transfer. That's it. Thanks so much.